The installation guide will be, so this will be like this guys. This is like a mammoth. If you are able to see, the product is like this. Okay, so installation guide is here. It is quite easy to fix. Let us fix it. Okay, so this is what the first item which looks like. This is from the top, I believe, and then which will be inserted here. But first thing we need to insert is the legs. So we do get 4 legs guys. So first of all we need to insert the legs. Let me open these legs. So these are 2 legs, the other 2 legs are there. So just need to first fit this one. So yeah, this is done. The other leg, I will also install the other leg. Now we need to fit these into these boxes. Okay, if you see here, they have given something like this. Okay, and if you see on the boxes holes, you will be able to see the place where this has to go in. Okay, so if you see guys, I am putting this particular adjustment into the place where it demands. Okay, so if you see, I may have to put it like this. Let me do it. Yes, it is done. This one leg is done. It is little trickier, but you can easily do it guys. Okay, I did fit 3 of them guys, the last one left. Yeah guys, I am able to install 4 legs. You have to apply a little bit of pressure and you have to find out the hole properly, then you will be able to install it. It is quite easy, it is not that tough. And then the next one we need to set up is this one. So we have to put the upper section, this one, on this. So it is also easy. They mention it just a click effort, nothing much. So you have to make sure that these all places, I mean these things basically goes in well. Okay, so let me try to install this as well. Yeah guys, if you see here, it is done, and this is the whole chair guys. And the legs are also fitted. If you see, the legs are quite well fitted, and this is the chair guys. And the product name is called as a Mammoth. As I mentioned, the price is 599 rupees. This is a good chair for your kids. You can definitely have it and you can use it for around 2-3 years of time, and then you can sell it on any of the second-hand seller websites. So if you see from the back, this is how it looks, and installation is also quite easy, and your kid can easily sit here and do whatever they can. Thank you guys. I hope this video is helpful, and yeah, purchase link will be in the description section. You can definitely go ahead and check that out. And yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.